What's going on? It's your boy, Self-Made Street Cars. Another day, another dollar. We here. You already know we in the, but we missing something. Where it's at? Oh, look. It's right there. But where we going? To go get that Widebody. You see, look. I got my ski today just in case motherfuckers want a trip. You know I had to get that Jeep up in there. Widebody coming. Some other shit coming for the Jeep. Just be on the lookout, man. Self-Made Street Cars, man. We in there. You hear me? Yee!
Got the Jeep all loaded up. Vulcan straps, trust me, best. We're gonna be taking this with Snow Bunny here. We're gonna be going into Seattle. Extreme Motorsports is gonna be getting us right with the Jeep. Little peek here. Ready to rip. Here we go. All right, we made it. Extreme Motorsports. It's fucking pouring over here. It is pouring. Woo!
Gotta put that work in, you heard me? In the rain, sleet, snow, we outside. I told you, we outside.
You guys can find them on Instagram, Facebook. I'll make sure to tag them or put their information down below. But they do customization, they do all kinds of stuff here. So they're gonna paint the Widebody, they're gonna install it, they're gonna put it on. Just easier. It's easier to do that way.
I don't know if it's gonna come off, but look how far we are from the ground.
Yeah, I know. You don't even have to tilt the trailer rod. Precision.
Got that bit right off.
Precision.
Know, Self-Made Street Cars, man. Got the Jeep at a spot with the Widebody inside, and you already know where we at. Where the sign at? Oh look, there you go. Motorsports, man. We here. When we come up out of here, we gonna be Widebodied up. You already know. We got 22s. I'm gonna have to change the feet. Just be on the lookout for that though. Man, we just dropped that Widebody. Finna be the fastest SRT Widebody Jeep. We just dropped that thing off. You heard me? See, I got my mask on because you know I'm ready like that. Because it's like that. And we still got the trailer because we on our way to get the surprise. Yes, sir. We'll let you know when we get that. Or you're going to have to just keep watching, really, because it might just be a surprise the whole way till we get to what we're doing with it. You feel me? You never know. So check in with us. Like, share, subscribe. Yay! What's poppin'? You already know, man. Hey, we here at the surprise like I told you. We about to pick it up. Look, I told you we had a surprise coming. But look, I keep looking back because there's something back there I don't want to show you guys. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna have to be on the lookout for that because we don't know if we're gonna get it or not. But look, we got the surprise. Y'all all know I got that charger. We decided to switch it up. It's an SRT, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit and we're gonna drop it and go ahead and try to put it in this new thing we got right here. It's new to us. It ain't new to them, but it's new to us because we ain't had it before, you know what I'm saying? Look, go ahead and put that 6.1 in this thing, 2006 Chrysler C, Hemi brother style. You already know how we coming. Yes, sir. But you know, we taking this out because we got that 6.1. We're gonna put that 6.1 up in this thing, man. Come sliding around the block on you, put a nice little white kit on it or something like that. You see, I got my ski on, because this is what we doing. We getting strikers today, boy. Yeah, we just dropped the striker off, we pick it up a striker, and we gonna put it on the striker trailer. You feel me? Yeah, that way. You know what I'm saying? Ski!
Well, I guess the only thing to do is load it up. Load up. Let's see if we can get it started. It's on the trailer. We're good. Ready to roll. Alright, so the action died on us. Wow. Actually right at the end, so it's actually perfect. But as you can see, it's on there. We're ready to rip. Well, she's sleeping for the night.
We made it. You know what I'm saying? It was a long day, but she here. Just wait and see what happens, man. That's all I can tell you, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? We need all the love. Hate, fake, we need it all. So just tap in with us, man.